Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about math object in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. The math object in JavaScript is a built-in object that provides a variety of mathematical functions and constants that can be used to perform mathematical operations. It is not a constructor, so you cannot create instances of it. Instead, you use the math object as a namespace to access its properties and methods. Here are some examples of the properties and methods provided by math object. Math.e, the base of the natural logarithm approximately 2.718. Math.pi, the value of pi approximately 3.14159. And math.absolute returns the absolute value of a number. Math.ceil returns the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to a number. Math.floor returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to a number. Math.round returns the nearest integer to a number. Math.max returns the largest of a set of numbers. Math.min returns the smallest of a set of numbers. And math.pow returns x raised to the power of y. And math.square root returns the square root of a number. Math.random returns a random number between 0 and 1. For example, here is how you could use math.random method to generate a random number between 1 and 10. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.